While some of us are buying huge amount of data to come online, to watch TikTok videos, to watch YouTube videos, to watch Facebook videos, Instagram videos, and a whole lot of videos out here, others of us are also using free VPN in watching videos. And even some of us are even this kind of VPNs to download large files from the internet. Moreover, some of us are using these same VPNs to watch videos online on YouTube, doing a whole lot of stuff online out there without buying any amount of data. Can you just imagine how much a data costs today? Can you just imagine how much you need to download your files to complete a task online? Alright, so in this video, I'm going to tell you and show you how you can just get these free VPNs online. I mean free. It's not about this kind of VPN which is going to tell you to wait for some minutes before you continue with this your videos, or before you can continue using these services. No. So this video is actually going to show you a way you can make your own VPNs. You can download some free VPNs and start using them. And of course, I'm not coming to tell you only one VPN. I'll be telling you about 4 of them, of which you can use these VPNs to download large files. You can also use them to complete a whole lot of tasks. So the number 1 VPN I will talk about, it is this AM Tunnel Lite VPN. So this is the AM Lite Tunnel VPN, which is free to download. It is very fast as well, and people have been using this free AM Tunnel Lite VPN, and they have been giving recommendation about this VPN, of which they are saying it's too much faster and secure in using. This is not going to run your phone slowly, no, just like the other VPN, which is going to run your phone slowly and also be telling you to wait for some time before you can continue using this same VPN. And of course, in order for you to do this, just go to your Play Store, your Apple Store, just search in for AM Tunnel Lite VPN, download this particular VPN, click on the global and then click on start. Then you start using this free VPN. So this is very fast and it's going to help you save much of your money without buying any amount of data. Is that not so, guys? All right, so the next one I will talk about here is the Tunnel Core Plus. So this Tunnel Core Plus is so faster. I don't know if the person who invested this kind of Tunnel Core Plus is also faster. It's going to help you download large amount of files. So this is going to help you download your files from online, watch your Nigerian movies, watch your action movies on Netflix and a whole lot of pages by just downloading this Tunnel Core Plus. This is very fast. All you have to do here is to just grab your phone, go online, search in for this Tunnel Core Plus as you can see on the screen, get it on your phone, click on the download or install it on your phone, and then click on the start button as you open it. Then you start using the same free VPN. This does not cost you anything. All you have to do is to just get it on your phone by downloading it. This is very free. So you can actually get this on your Play Store as well. So my iPhone users, don't worry, I'll get to you. Alright, so then the next one, that's the senior most or the most strongest and the most fastest one, is the StockSip. I learned most of us have been hearing much about StockSip, and you can download this one too for free. But unfortunately, it's not available for iPhone users. But for Android users, you can download this StockSip from your Play Store and you can start using them. But my iPhone user, don't worry. As I'm taking you through, you will hear something from your side. So just download this StockSip tunnel. I recently made a video about this, but unfortunately, YouTube didn't allow me to upload my video on StockSip, and I was warned. So in order for you to get the more updates and settings on how you can create your own files for StockSip, kindly check on the description. There is a link there, link to my WhatsApp, to my Telegram channel as well. Get there and then hit me up there. I'm going to show you everything out there, how you can create your own file for StockSip Tunnel VPN, which is the strongest among all of them. Is the most strongest among all of them. Get it up on your phone, download it, and then let's start creating a file for you to use this StockSip Tunnel VPN for free. This is actually going to help you. It's the Oga of them. So it is actually going to help you to get this VPNs for free. So in order for you to get this on your iOS device, it's very simple. All you have to do is to just get the wire tunnel or the wire tunnel app on your phone. All right, so this is very simple. The white one is available for iOS users. Get it from your app store, download it, and then start using your free VPN. It's very simple, guys. In order for you to know much about free VPN, which is going to trend across, get the link under my description to join my WhatsApp and my Telegram group, as we are helping ourselves to use our VPNs for free by saving our money. Charlie, buying airtime or buying data online is very expensive nowadays, and it really costs us. Imagine getting you just 1.5 megabyte or 1.5 gig. It's insufficient for you. All right, so let's grab this opportunity to start using free VPNs on our mobile device. Just link up to my channel, click on my channel, subscribe to it, like it, give me your comment after watching this video, and also let's talk on my comment section. I hope to see you in my next video as you are subscribing to my channel. Let's link up to my channel on my WhatsApp and my Telegram too as well, and let's enjoy free VPNs out there. I hope to see you in my next video. All right.